The 1979 Cadillac Seville. Beautiful blue color. As you can see, the mustard and mail with the spoke rims. Last year, by the way, for this style of Seville, before the pretty dramatic redesign in 1980. This car, 350 V8, power steering, power brakes. By the way, technology on this car for the time anyways included four-wheel disc brakes. Take a look at that beautiful grille. Classic Cadillac hood ornament. Chrome looks good, headlights. Take a look down the passenger side here. An Arizona car. And if you're from where we are in this neck of the woods in Minnesota, that really stands out. Sunroof, power by the way, and it works. Again, if you have any questions about this car, after you conclude watching this video, remember, you can always talk to a sales associate. 507-386-1726. Visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll see this car and a host of others. And remember, following the video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. He's going to bring you along, and you'll get a visual and a descriptive one at that as he takes it out. One of the things that makes these cars sought after, by the way, is, and I've mentioned this, that bustle back that came along in 1980, which a pretty dramatic redesign. So this square back end, the last year of this generation. Smaller than what most people think of when they think Cadillacs and luxury rides, right? But the reason for that was they were looking to compete with the luxury European imports. Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Jaguar. You know what I'm talking about. Luxury in a smaller, more compact package. AC blows cold, by the way. Aftermarket stereo with a 6-disc CD changer in the trunk. Give you a quick peek inside. You can see some minor wear along the way here. It's exactly what you'd expect from a car. Built in 1979. By the way, our text did note the button for the cruise control is not there, and there are a few things that are inoperable, including the horn, but if you'd like a complete list of those minor inconveniences, you can always talk to our sales associates. Again, 507-386-1726. And visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can see the split bench with the armrests up front. It'll be a quick look in back as well. Overall, the car shows very well for 1979. Again, you do notice as soon as you get in, start looking around, you can see the reading lights in the back here as well, but you can tell that they were targeting European imports. That's what they were going after with these cars. Tell you what, how about we start this bad boy up? All right, let's get in and give this car a crank. Starts right up. There is the aftermarket stereo. Again, 6-disc CD changer in the trunk. Take a look under the hood. Recently rebuilt 350 flat 7. AC runs and blows cold. You see a newer battery there as well. The shut-off has been installed. Runs smooth, idles nice. Again, any questions, and you want a whole lot of pictures, including underneath when they get it up on a rack, you can see that at uniqueclassiccars.com. And by all means, give one of our sales associates a call at 507-386-1726. You're on. Spin around back here. Very quiet exhaust. Chrome in the back looks good. You see some minor fade up here on the top, but as I mentioned, that sunroof, which is power, is operational. Works great. So there you have it, the last year of this generation before they went to that bustleback, as I mentioned earlier, 1979 Cadillac Seville. Again, stick around. Jason's going to take you for a ride. He's going to bring you along so you can get a visual and a great description of what it's like to get in the car and move. And as always, visit us online at uniqueclassiccars.com. And if you have any questions about this car or any other, give our sales associates a call, 507-386-1726.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jared on Motorhood.
Jesus!
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1979 Cadillac. This is a 4-door Seville with a glass sunroof overhead. We have a digital radio on the dash that does work. However, the volume knob is quite finicky. A little bit of traffic. Oh, got a motorcycle turning. Nice, smooth running, quiet Cadillac. Also, the AC blowing cold in this car. Blue on blue with some wood grain in the dash. Definitely throwback colors. Even the top of the dash is blue. And looking at that dash, I'm not seeing any cracks. Well maintained for the most part, and very prominent hood ornament out front on this one, including in the back a kit for a spare tire mounted to the rear. Very comfortable. What looks to me, maybe Jake can clear this up, like wide bucket seats, possibly a split bench with an actual split, but very comfortable seats in blue matching leather to the interior. There's a little bit of pull on braking, primarily to the left. Power windows, of course, power seat. Let's see how she does in the corners. Excellent power steering, very easy to steer. Cadillac definitely aimed at the luxury market. Find all the pictures of this 1979 Cadillac Seville at uniqueclassiccars.com.